Abacus classes. Today's topic is small friends formula.
Good evening, students. Welcome back. I hope you all are safe at home. So stay home, stay safe. Today, in Abacus, we will be learning some new concepts. As previously in Abacus, I have told you multiplication, of 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now today I will be taking some new concepts. Now students, as you know that in Abacus, small friends and big friends are there. Now the students who have studied Abacus in class 2nd, 3rd, 4th, they are well known with these small friends and big friends. So students, today in this video I am only taking small friends because it's itself only a very big topic. So today I will only take small friends. So students, let's start. Make sure you watch every single video and stay tuned to learn more. Abacus. Now students, small friends formula. Now students, what is small friends formula? See, in Abacus tool, till now I have told you how to do multiplication in this Abacus tool. Multiplication of 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now today I will tell you that in this Abacus tool how to use the small friends formula. But before using, you should know what are small friends formula and you have to learn them also. Now, where you use this small friends formula? See students, normally you do your numericals in this Abacus tool, but there are some questions in which there is lack of bead. Lack of bead means that you have to add 4 and the bead is not there. आपको 4 ऐड करना है और bead नहीं है. So in this you have to use the small friends formula. So if the bead is not there and you have to add 4, then for adding 4 you have to use the formula plus 5 minus 1. This formula you have to use for adding 4. Now, if you have to add 3 and the bead is not there, so you will use the formula plus 5 minus 2. Students, those who have learned Abacus in class 2nd, 3rd and 4th, they are well known with these formulas because they have done the numericals with it many a times. Now, the new students, those who are learning the Abacus first time, they have to learn these formulas. Then in my next video, I will tell you how to use these formulas in the sums. Now your next. If you have to add plus 2 and the bead is not there, means in abacus tool you have to add 2 and you are lacking of bead, means the bead is not there, then you have to use this formula. For plus 2 you will use plus 5 minus 3. Students, you will get it more when we will use these formulas in the sums. Till then, you have to write these formulas in your abacus fair notebook and please try to learn them. I will also tell you how you will learn them, the easy way of learning them. I will tell you. Now, plus 1, plus 5, minus 4. See, I have made it from black so that you can see it clearly. Now students, this is for addition. See, if you have to add plus 4 means you have to add 4 and the bead is not there, then you have to use this formula plus 5 minus 1. Plus 5 means that you have to add 5 and you have to subtract 1. Then if you are lacking of plus 3 bead and you have to add plus 3. So see, all are plus. So this is for addition formulas. Now we will go for subtraction formulas, like you have to subtract minus 4. Means you have to subtract 4 and the bead is not there in the abacus. Means 4 either you have added already or you have added something else and 4 bead is not there. So for that you will use the formula minus 5 plus 1. Minus 5 plus 1. See, and for minus 3 you will use the formula minus 5 plus 2. Same for minus 2, you will use the formula minus 5 plus 3. And for minus 1, you will use the formula minus 5 plus 4. This formula is for subtraction. This formula is for subtraction. So these formulas are for addition and these formulas are for subtraction. Subtraction means subtraction of 1, 2, 3, 4. See, here is also 1, 2, 3, 4. But this is addition and this is subtraction. Students, there are big friend formulas also. But first of all, try to learn them. And they are very easy. I will tell you how to apply these formulas in your sums. Don't get panicked to see these formulas. And they are very easy to learn also. See how. One is the friend of 4 and 2 is the friend of 3. See, you have to learn only this. And you can make your formulas by yourself. See how. See, if I am your friend, then you will be my friend. Means, अगर मैं आपकी दोस्त हूँ, तो आप भी मेरे दोस्त होगे. Same way, 1 is the friend of 4. So 4 is the friend of 1. They both have a strong bond of friendship between them. Same way, this is 2 and this is 3. See, 2 is the friend of 3 and 3 is the friend of 2. They both have a strong bond of friendship between them. So, they don't interchange. See, 4 will not become the friend of 2. 4 will be the friend of 1 only and 1 will be the friend of 4 only. See, now how we will use this in our formulas. See, wherever there is 4, there will be 1. 5 is compulsory. See, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Only sign is changing. See, here is plus and here is minus. Otherwise, 5 is common in both the terms. Now, see, with 4, you will always have 1. Because 4 is the friend of 1. And with 3, you will always have 2. Because 3 is the friend of 2. Wherever there will be 2, it will have 3 only. You will not find 2 with 4 or 2 with 1 because 2 is not the friend of 1 and 4. 2 is the friend of 3. So 3 and 2 will come together. See, this way you can learn it very easily. See, with 1, 4 is there. Here also with 4, 1 is there. With 3, 2 is there. With 2, 3 is there. And with 1, 4 is there. See, 1 and 4 are together and 2 and 3 are together. So, students, now we will form these formulas with ourselves. See how. Now, see, you have to do plus 4. Now, bead is not there in your abacus tool. In this abacus tool, bead is not there. So, you have to add plus 4. Now, how you will add plus 4? What is the formula? See, plus 5 is common. It will be there. It's permanent. Now, 4 is the friend of 1. So, with 4, 1 will be there. Same way, with 3, 3 is the friend of 2. So, 3, 2 will be there. Same way, with 2, 3 will be there. And with 1, 4 will be there. See how easily I have formed these formulas. Now, I will write these formulas again for you by using the friends. See, you have to do minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. Students, if you will focus, you can easily learn them. It's a trick. Now, your number is minus 4. So, 5 will also be minus. See, here is minus. So, here will also be minus. Here is plus. So, here is plus. 5 always go with the number. Now, what you have to put? See, minus you have put. Now, you will put plus. Now, with 4. 4 is the friend of 1. Yes, very good. So, 1. 3 will be the friend of? Yes, 2. 2 is the friend of? 3. And 1 is the friend of? 4. See how easily I have made these formulas. So students, you can also make them by yourself and it's very easy. Try to learn them. In my next video, I will tell you how to apply these formulas in the sums. Till then, just learn them. And don't forget to learn this. This is the main part of these formulas, that 1 is the friend of 4 and 2 is the friend of 3. 3 is the friend of 2 and 4 is the friend of 1. So students, for today, this much only. I hope you understand these formulas, try to learn them and make sure you watch every single video. Stay tuned to learn more. Thank you.
Small friends formulas for addition and subtraction. Write these formulas in abacus notebook. Thank you.